Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add background music in Canva. This is a great way to make our videos and presentations more engaging and professional. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, if we want to add background music, all we have to do is follow these simple steps. For example, if this is our image and we want to add background music, we just need to click on Uploads and then upload the music we want to use. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear here under Audio. We just click on the audio we want to add, and it will automatically be added to our project. Now let's adjust the duration. We can extend it if needed so that our project will match the length of the music. As we can see, there is now music in our Canva project. And that's how we add background music in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can bring our designs to life with sound.